Look at your phone. Every message, every video, every song you consume exists because of an idea created by a man most people have never heard of. He didn't invent the computer. He invented something more fundamental. He invented the bit. At the beginning of the 20th century, voice, image, and text were treated as completely different things. Each technology required its own infrastructure. And when signals failed, the solution was simple and wrong. More power, stronger signals, thicker wires, but that did not solve the real problem. Noise. Claude Shannon was a curious engineer. While working on a massive analog machine filled with gears and rotating shafts, he noticed something strange. The small on and off switches controlling the machine could represent logical mathematics. True or false, on or off, 1 or 0. He realized that logic itself could be implemented with electricity. Shannon did something radical. He separated information from meaning. To a machine, it does not matter whether the message says "I love you" or random characters. What matters is how much uncertainty the message resolves. He called the smallest unit of this choice a bit. A bit is simply a decision between two possible states. If I tell you the sun will rise tomorrow, that contains almost no information because it is predictable. But if I tell you tomorrow's lottery numbers, that contains enormous information because the uncertainty was massive. Shannon showed that information is measured by surprise. The more uncertainty removed, the more information transmitted. Before Shanahan, engineers tried to defeat noise by increasing signal strength. He proved the solution was different. You add intelligent redundancy to the message. Like spelling your name using Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. You add extra structure so that even if part of the signal is lost, the message can still be perfectly reconstructed. This is the foundation of the modern internet. In 1950, Shannon built a mechanical mouse named Theseus. The mouse entered a maze, made mistakes, learned from them, and memorized the correct path. On the second attempt, it went straight to the goal. He demonstrated that learning could be implemented using electrical logic. Today, artificial intelligence operates on Shannon's principles. Everything becomes bits. Everything becomes probability. Everything becomes the reduction of uncertainty. AI does not understand meaning the way humans do. It manipulates statistical patterns encoded in binary circuits. Shannon made that world possible. Shannon was not obsessed with fame. He built useless machines, mechanical jugglers, a machine that turned itself off. He rode a unicycle through the lab. He believed curiosity and play were engines of deep innovation. Claude Shannon may not be as famous as Einstein, but he built the invisible foundation of the digital world. Without him, there would be no modern computing, no internet, no artificial intelligence. He proved the communication can be reduced to binary choices, 0 or 1. If most communication is redundancy and predictability, how much of what you consume online is true information and how much is just noise? Tell me in the comments.